Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to identify the Major Odu Ifa and the minor ones. The Major Odu Ifa are 16 in numbers, while the minor ones are 240 in numbers. In Yoruba language, the Major Odu Ifa is called Oju Odu, while the minor Odu is called Omo Odu. Let's first of all identify the Oju Odu, which are the 16 Major Odu Ifa. Here we go. 1. Eji Ogbe. 2. Oyeku Meji. 3. Iwori Meji. 4. Odi Meji. 5. Irosun Meji. 6. Oworin Meji. 7. Obara Meji. 8. Okoran Meji. 9. Ogunda Meji. 10. Ọ̀sà Meji. 11. Ìkà Meji. 12. Òtúrùpọ̀n Meji. 13. Òtúrà Meji. 14. Ìrètè Meji. 15. Ọ̀sẹ̀ Meji. And 16. Òfún Meji. Now that we've seen the 16 Major Odu Ifa, I hope you noticed that each Odu is repeated twice. This is why Meji ends or begins each of them. Thus, Meji means 2. So, how do you identify the 240 minor Odu Ifa signs? The minor Odu are called Omo Odu in Yoruba language. Each of the major 16 Odu Ifa produces the 240 minor Odu. Accordingly, here is how to identify them. In order not to waste too much of our time, I am not going to list all the 240 minor Odu, but I will show you some examples to enable you identify them all by yourself. As I said, each major Odu produces another 16 each, which are called minor Odu, known as Omo Odu in Yoruba Religion. Take for instance, Ejiogbe can produce Ogbe or Sa. This is how to identify Ogbe or Sa. It means Ogbe plus Osa signs. So let's join Ogbe Osa together to see the look of the sign. I hope you can see. Let me show you more examples. Please note that only qualified babalawos and iyanifas cast Ifa. This video is made to educate lovers of Yoruba Religion or Ifa Religion on the beauty of the religion and to prove to the world that Ifa is not evil. The Major Odu Ifa are 16 in numbers, while the minor ones are 240 in numbers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.